isang ligtas at mapagpalang bagong taon, Grade 9. This is Teacher Dina at ako ang inyong virtual teacher para sa ikalawang markahan ng Mathematics 9 Week 1. Our topic for the week is direct variation. And at the end of the virtual lesson, you should be able to illustrate situations that involve direct variation. First, let us define direct variation. A relationship between two variables in which one is a constant multiple of the other. In particular, when one variable changes, the other changes in proportion to the first. Take note that when we say proportion, when one variable increases, the other variable also increases and vice versa. In a direct variation, we will encounter the following phrases. First, if y is directly proportional to x, and second, if y varies directly as x. The word clues are directly proportional, varies directly, and sometimes is proportional. Take note that y is the dependent variable and x is the independent variable. So kapag translate natin ang mga direct variation phrases na ito into a mathematical equation or sentence, mauunang isulat ang dependent variable y or the variable before the word clue or clues. So magiging y equals, then followed by the independent variable x or the variable after the word clues. So the mathematical equation or sentence will be y equals kx, wherein k is the constant of variation. Pag sinabing constant, hindi pwedeng mawala si k sa isang variation equation or sentence. So ito ang inyong gabay para sa Activity 1, Need a Translator, with the direction, write an equation for the following statements. Example 1. The amount of garbage G varies directly as the population P. So the mathematical equation is G equals Kp. Tandaan na si K is the constant of variation. Example 2. The population P of a certain species of bacteria is directly proportional with the temperature T. So the mathematical equation is P equals Kt. Then the last one, the distance D required to stop the car varies directly as the square of its speed s. So the mathematical equation will be D equals Ks squared. So bakit may squared si s? So we have the phrase is square of its speed s. Para sa activity 2, with the title Direct to the Point, you should write dv if it illustrates direct variation and nd if does not. Remember that the mathematical equation for a direct variation should be in the form y equals kx, and always k is the constant in variation. So let's have example number 1. Y equals negative 4x. dv ba siya or not direct variation? Correct, direct variation. Example number 2, y equals 7 over x. Not direct variation. Then last example, y equals negative 7x squared. Correct, direct variation. Thank you so much for watching and stay tuned for the next virtual instruction.